Go.
Sài Gòn đang ra nghỉ lô lên liền thôi.
We have a guest in Chinese or China. Ni hao ma.
안녕하세요.
Korean. I'm wrong. So by the way, we are going now in Puerta Real Garden. Puerta Real, that is Spanish word. Puerta, it means gate, and Real means royal.
Pwede ka.
Exclusively for the Governor General. And his name is El Adelantado Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. You can understand English?
No.
Slightly.
No.
Only Korean. Little bit. Yes.